Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek, after welcoming friends from South Korea who had donated medical oxygen supply system to the state, informed that these machines that have been installed at the Shillong Civil Hospital would also be installed at other government health institutions across the state. He also added that these equipments are not only productive but effective as well.
Through their representative, already they have installed the medical oxygen supply system in our state that has happened in civil hospital. We have taken the report. It is very productive and also it is very effective. This is the report is taken from the civil hospital and also from the DHSMI. So I welcome our friends, welcome all the way, JJ Wu. Who is JJ Wu, our friend who have come all the way from South Korea. We welcome him. So now, since they have come, they have not come only to do business here, even also to help the government, to our country, to our state and also in our country. So they have already promised to send 10 more numbers of the medical oxygen supply system for the state of Meghalaya. For the entire country, they are going to supply 100 numbers.